Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to use Mailchimp for email marketing free. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. If you're looking for a powerful, accessible tool to manage your email marketing campaigns without breaking the bank, Mailchimp's free plan is an excellent choice. With its easy to use, user friendly interface and robust features, Mailchimp allow you to create and send professional emails to engage with your audience effectively. So, let's get started. Right now, we are currently at the dashboard of Mailchimp. This is what you're going to see after you create your account in Mailchimp. Now, creating your account in Mailchimp is very easy and very direct, so you wouldn't have any issue with that. So, let's begin our tutorial right away in the dashboard. Now, as you can see, we're currently on the home page. Over here on the left side, this is where you can see all the different features available in Mailchimp. You could have your campaigns over here. You could check out your different campaigns by simply clicking on all campaigns over here, which would allow you to view and manage emails, ads, social posts, and landing page. Basically, most of the different features will be visible in this section. As you can see here, you could view it by emails, automations, landing page, ads, postcards, social posts, and surveys. These are the different things you could create also with Mailchimp. You can also create automations, as you can see here. You can check out the automations over here. The automations are called Journey, and as you can see, you can map out a marketing journey that delivers unique and experience of each for your contacts. As you can see here, there are some pre-built journeys or some automations. As you can see here, for example, you could welcome new contacts. It has an automation for that. You could recover abandoned cart over here, email tagged customers, create repeat customers, celebrate customer birthdays, and many more. You could check out all the different journey templates over here. Now you could also create your own journeys or own automation over here from builds from scratch. For example, a customer joins your campaign or signs up or subscribe to any of your campaigns. You could set up an automation wherein you could send a custom email directly to them depending on the condition you set. And you will be able to do it over here on automation. You can check out how it would look like over here by clicking this. You will be able to be redirected to the editing page of the journey. As you can see, we're going to check it out and show you. The first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to name it. For example, we're going to have a thank you automation over here. Click on start building, and then you will be able to choose or create a starting point over here. You could choose from all of these options. You could choose from activity over here, dates and special events, shopping activity, marketing activity, and API integrations over here. You could choose any of this option. For example, we could click on sign up over here, save a starting point, and now you could add any journey point that you want. You could choose from send email, if else, the rules over here, actions, and many more over here. You could build up your own journey over here and use it effectively with the automation. Now going back, we could also check out over here audience. This is where you could check out and monitor your audience, your contacts. This is where you could see how many people are growing, how many are engaging with your marketing. You could also check out all contacts over here, which would show you all the list of your contacts that you have. You could create a sign up form over here if ever you would like to create a sign up form, which would allow you to gain more contacts. As you can see here, you could use a form builder, embed forms, subscriber pop-up, contact forms, and form integrations over here. You can also check out tags over here, which would allow you to categorize your different contacts, similarly with segments over here. There's also surveys and inbox over here. You could also check out analytics in this section where you can check out your analytics, your performance with your emails, the reports, custom reports over here. You can also create your websites actually with Mailchimp. Now, most email marketing campaigns platform out there doesn't let you create your website, but in here, you will be able to design your website over here as well. You could also start selling products and offer services in this section. You could choose your domains, stuff like that, and then you could edit your contents over here, your files, email templates, and you could also check out your integrations over here. Now, how do you create the most basic in Mailchimp? Of course, because it is an email marketing. How do you create an email? Simple. You can simply click on email or create over here on the left side, and you will be able to see everything that you will be able to create in Mailchimp. You could create emails, automations, websites, landing page, use a creative assistant. Okay, you can make a sign up form, survey, add social posts, and postcards over here. Now, for the email, you could create a regular email, an automation email, or a landing page over here, or actually over here, regular, plain, and template. So let's try and design a very simple regular email because this is the basics of the basics. So we're going to show you how the basic work. So simply we click on the regular and you're going to have to choose an email builder. Now there is a new builder right now which uses AI assisted tool, but right now it is currently in beta, so it wouldn't perform as well as the classic builder, but it's still there. You have this opportunity to use the new builder. It is completely up to you. But for me, I'm going to use the classic builder over here. So simply click on select the classic builder, which would allow you to be redirected once again. Now the next step is to select a template. You're going to have to select a template for you to create your output on. You have your basics over here, as you can see. All of this option over here, it's going to be empty, no content, no photo, no anything like that, no layouts. But over here on the featured, you could use this over here. You can also choose from the different themes over here. As you can see, there's other options over here. You could check out your save templates, campaigns, and you could code your own if ever you're a programmer or you already have your own email template layout. But you could choose from any of this option. For example, we're going to go with the featured and we could go with the sell product. Now, you don't need to necessarily follow what these templates are for. For example, over here, sell products, you're not going to be necessarily following this as a instruction. You're not going to create a sell product template. You can simply use this as a layout and then you can change any content that you want. It doesn't mean that you need to create a email that sells product. As you can see here, you can see here on the left side, this is your preview so that you can see what you're editing live. Over here on the right side, you have your different blocks, the different elements that you could add to your email and then like populate the area over here. And you have your styles over here. You can edit the style for the page, header, body, footer, mobile styles, and referral badge over here. And you could also add comments and feedbacks on this campaign. Now, added blocks is very easy. You can simply click on the specific block, for example, the text, click it, and then drag it to wherever you would like to put it. And as you can see, we will be able to put it over here. Then you could add whatever information that you would like over here. You also have your basic paragraph formatting over here that most software have, and then you could edit the style for this specific block over here. Now you could also edit other blocks over here. For example, this one, you could click this and you could see the context over here, style and setting. You could edit every single part of your email over here. Now, how do you delete a block? You can simply click on this delete block option over here, which would allow you to delete a specific block that you accidentally added or a block that you don't like. Now, if you want to rearrange them, you can simply click on this icon over here on the left side, then drag it to wherever you would like to place it, and it will be automatically replaced or moved to the location that you have chosen. So it's very easy to navigate and use this section over here, edit it, and add any information that you would like to add. And it is completely up to you on how you would like this to be presented. You can also preview it, as you can see here. You can preview it in a preview mode. You could send a test email, push to mobile, open a link checker, and social cards over here. You could choose a template over here if ever you would like to choose another template. But after that, after creating your email over here, after being satisfied with the output, you simply click on continue. And we're not going to set our builder as our default for now. And we're going to wait for it to load again. And we will be redirected to this final stage. You're going to have to edit who you are sending to, who is sending this campaign, and the subject over here. It's going to also show you like a context over here, like what is missing. As you can see here, you need to add some information to your email over here before you could actually proceed. And you could also connect your social posts over here, social media campaigns, and all of those stuff over here. And then you can set up your settings and tracking. And after finishing this, you can simply click on send over here, which would allow you to send your campaign or your email to whoever you have set it to over here. Now, if you don't know how to build up your contacts, you can see here over here on the all contacts over here. You could gain it through your sign up forms or your landing page, or you could simply add it over here, like export, or like you could add contacts in this section, add a subscriber, or import contacts that you already have in your computer or your hard drive somewhere. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.